Hello students, the question is from the numerical method. The data has been given some values of x ranging from 0 to 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 is given, and y values are also given for the corresponding range, and we have to find out the value of integration 0 to 80 y dx by trapezoidal rule. Okay, so we have to okay, fine, the solution will be what you know about the trapezoidal rule. According to trapezoidal rule, what will be the expansion of this value? It will be h into 1 by 2 y naught plus y1 plus y2 plus y3 and so on, plus till n, like it is 1 by 2, whatever the value we will get. Okay, here it is 8 because 9 data has been given, so 0 to 8, 0 to y8. So what will be the h here? It is the constant difference between the range. Okay, it is the constant difference between the values of x. Okay, so what is h over here? H is 10. Okay, so simply we have to substitute the value and we have to find out the solution. So it will be y2 of y0 plus y1 plus y2 and so on, plus y7 plus 1 by 2 of y8. So it will be 10 into 1 by 2 into 0. So for 0 it is 0. For 10 it is 4, 7, 9, 12, 15, 14, 8 plus 1 by 2, and the last value is 3. Okay, so it will be 69 plus 3 by 2. So it will be 10 into 70.5. When you calculate this value, the value will be 70.5. So it will come 705. So our answer will be C. Thank you.